Hey English learners, and welcome back to the English Speaking and Listening Club. I am so fired up that you're here today because we are diving into one of the most exciting, democratized, and real opportunities of our time, building wealth through social media. Let's get one thing straight right from the start. This is not about getting internet famous. This is not about chasing viral fame for 15 seconds. This is about building a legitimate, scalable, impactful digital business with social media as your engine, your storefront, and your megaphone. I know what you might be thinking. The space is too crowded. I'm not an expert. I don't know where to start. But I'm here to tell you that right now, in this very moment, you are holding in your hand or looking at on your screen the most powerful entrepreneurial tool ever created. The gatekeepers are gone. You have direct access to a global audience. The question is not if you can do it, but how. And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. So, if you're ready to transform your scroll time into income and your passion into a profession, lean in. I've got you. Let's build. The very first step and the bedrock of everything that follows is the mindset shift, from consumer to creator. Right now, for most people, social media is a place of consumption. You open the apps to be entertained, informed, distracted. You are the product being sold to advertisers. To build wealth, you must fundamentally flip this script. You must see yourself not as a user, but as a creator and a service provider. Every time you open Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, you are walking into your office. You are not there to kill time. You are there to work, to provide value, to solve problems, and to build an audience that trusts you. This shift changes everything. It changes what you post, how you engage, and why you show up. It means you start asking, what can I give, instead of what can I get? This is the non-negotiable foundation. Wealth on social media is not extracted from an audience. It is earned by serving an audience so well that they are happy to support you in return. So today, make that decision. Declare to yourself, I am no longer just a consumer. I am a creator. This is my digital real estate, and I am going to build something valuable on it. With your creator mindset activated, we move to the most critical strategic decision: niche down to scale up. This is where most aspiring creators fail. They try to talk to everyone about everything. I post about fitness, cooking, motivation, and my dog. This creates confusion. You must become known for one specific thing to a specific group of people. Your niche is the intersection of three things: what you are knowledgeable, passionate about, your zone of genius, what people are willing to pay for, a problem they need solved, and what you can uniquely communicate, your authentic voice. For example, don't be a fitness account. Be the account for busy moms who want 15-minute, no-equipment home workouts. Don't be a business account. Be the guide for first-time freelancers on how to price their services. Niching down feels scary. You think you're limiting yourself, but it's the opposite. It makes you magnetic. It allows the algorithm to understand who to show your content to. It allows your ideal follower to immediately think, this is for me. And when you own a niche, you become the go-to authority. From that position of trusted authority, all wealth-building avenues open up. So grab a journal. Define your niche with crystal clarity. Who is your one person? What is their one biggest problem? How will you solve it? Now you have your mindset and your niche. It's time to talk about the fuel that will grow your engine: content strategy, the value-forward flywheel. Your content is not a random collection of posts. It is a strategic, consistent delivery system of value that builds know, like, and trust. You need to operate a flywheel with three types of content: pillar, engagement, and promotional. Pillar content is your deep dive, high-value expertise. This is the hero content that solves your audience's core problem, the detailed tutorial, the step-by-step guide, the framework. This establishes your authority. Engagement content is lighter, conversation starting, and community building. This is the question in your stories, the poll, the caption, the relatable story. This builds the like and trust factor. Promotional content is where you make the offer. This is where you talk about your product, service, or partnership. The golden rule is a 80-20 split. 80% of your content should be pillar and engagement, giving value, and 20% can be promotional, making the offer. When you provide relentless value first, your promotional posts are not seen as annoying ads, but as welcome solutions. Consistency here is more important than frequency. It is far better to post 3 high-value times a week, every week without fail, than to post randomly 7 times one week and then disappear for a month. Consistency trains the algorithm and, more importantly, trains your audience to expect and look forward to your value. This brings us to the heart of the matter, the monetization matrix moving beyond brand deals. While brand sponsorships can be great, they are reactive income. You're waiting for someone to pick you. To build true, controllable wealth, you must build active income systems that you own. There are 4 primary pathways, and the richest creators use a combination, an income stack. Path 1. Your own digital products. This is the holy grail for scalability. You create value once, an ebook, a video course, a template pack, a presets pack, and sell it infinitely. The profit margins are enormous. Your social media content then becomes a funnel demonstrating your expertise that leads to this product. Path 2. Your own services. Use your platform to showcase your skills to land high-ticket clients. Are you a graphic designer? Post your process. A business coach? Share client wins with permission. Your profile becomes your portfolio and clients come to you. Path 3. Community and subscription. This is building a paid community like a Patreon, a Discord server, or a subscription newsletter, where you offer deeper access, exclusive content, and direct interaction. This creates recurring, predictable revenue. Path 4. Affiliate marketing. This is promoting other companies' products you genuinely love and use, and earning a commission on sales. This works best when you are deeply trusted in your niche. The key is to view your social media presence as the top of a funnel. The free content attracts the crowd. Your email list, always be building one, nurtures the interested. And your monetization pathways serve the ready-to-buy segment of your audience. Finally, we address the marathoner's mindset, the long game and anti-burnout protocol. You will not get rich from one viral video. Virality is a lottery ticket. Wealth is built by showing up consistently for years, treating this like a real business. This means you must systematize to avoid burnout. Batch create your content. Use scheduling tools. Dedicate specific days for creation, engagement, and business tasks. You must also detach your self-worth from the metrics. Some posts will flop. The algorithm will change. This is business, not personal. Your job is to learn, adjust, and keep going. Protect your mental energy fiercely. Take digital Sabbaths. Remember, you are building an asset, a loyal audience, and a valuable personal brand. That asset compounds over time. The creator who started a niche YouTube channel or a focused Instagram page 5 years ago and stuck with it is now reaping rewards that newcomers can't access overnight. That will be you in 5 years if you start now and don't quit. So here is your action plan starting today. First, make the mindset flip from consumer to CEO of your digital presence. Second, niche down until it feels almost too specific. Third, launch your value-forward content flywheel with consistent, strategic posts. Fourth, choose one monetization path to build first, likely a digital product or service tied directly to your niche. Fifth, protect your energy for the long haul by creating systems and detaching from daily validation. Your phone is no longer just a phone. It is your studio, your publishing house, your conference stage, and your global storefront. The path to wealth is not hidden. It's in your daily habits of creation, value delivery, and community building. You have a message, a skill, or a perspective that can change someone's life for the better. Share it consistently, serve people deeply, and build the business model around that service. The world is waiting for what only you can create. Now go build. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.